Oh my God. Just instant power out now. Bam, bam, bam. Oh my God. Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. I have the Rlaarlo Terminator out, and this is gonna be called Project Booger. With that being said, we have a brand new ESC from Castle. That's right, we're gonna be testing this brand new ESC from Castle on 6S. Now, that's already too much power for this, and that should be ran in much larger applications. And that's the reason why I called this guy Project Booger. I was like, wow, that booger's pretty fast, and hence the name Project Boogers. So let's hop into this. Whoa. And here we go. This is the brand new Cobra 10 ESC from Castle, boasting up to 6S LiPo capabilities, and it could literally fit in the palm of my hand. It is not that big. The Mamba X was definitely needed of a refreshment, and here we go. Bam, we have our Cobra 10 ESC. We can run this censored up to 6S LiPo, data logging, and a brand new 32-bit processor to make everything fluent and quick. Now, with this ESC, we have a, well, for this car, massive 1412 3200 kV brushless motor. Now, this motor is 2 class sizes up of what was originally in here, and we're going to be running this guy on 6S LiPo. So not only will we have a hell of a lot more torque, the RPM is going to be astronomical. So here's what I will say before even really attempting this. 3000 plus kV on 6S, I do not recommend that. And disclaimer, I might lock the motor up, I might blow the tires, and I might destroy this car. And this is what we're going to do to give Booger the biggest test of its life. First, we're going to be running 3S, then we're going to do 6S. Hopefully everything stays well with the Rlaarlo Terminator, and if you guys find that interesting, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. Also, if you guys haven't seen Innovation RC's Instagram, make sure you give it a follow. We'll have cool things on there, such as pictures, videos, and other cool things, so make sure you do that. So GPS is all zeroed out. I'm going to turn the new Cobra 10 on. Now, as you guys notice, that it has the same exact startup sound and sequence as the Cobra 8. This is just the little brother of the Cobra 8. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at that, super duper smooth startup. Very nice. All right, here we come, guys, on 3S, full power. Oh my God, those tires were ballooning so much, it was trying to keep itself on the ground, but I barely just touched full throttle. All right, let's see what that was. This light is also really bright because I also bumped up the BEC on the Cobra 10 ESC. See it a lot better at further distances. Jeez Louise, 52 miles an hour. I just tapped full throttle, and that is on 3S. That is just too impressive, guys. This is still the same Rlaarlo battery that came in the box, 3S balance plug, and we're doing over twice the speed limit, 25 miles an hour, and we're doing over 50. And that was just so easy to achieve, holy moly. Let's feel the ESC. ESC is cold. ESC is just cold, cold, cold. I'm gonna try to do another pass, actually. Let's do one more. All right, I see the orange all the way down there. Let's try to get full throttle for a couple seconds now. Try to keep it as stable as possible. Here we come. Oh my God. That thing was just walking all over the road. Woo. And there we go, we got 53. So motor is still definitely almost warm. It's not even warm yet. ESC. That's just impressive. The fan isn't even on, and I believe it's gonna be thermally controlled to turn on at about 120 degrees. Wow, that is just no, oh, we did a flip. Oh, and it landed. Here we come back. All right, let's run this thing on 6S now. That's right, guys. I put a rock inside this thing because I know this thing's gonna want a wheel stand with the front tires ballooning, center differential. It's gonna transfer power from the back to the front anyway. Hopefully this thing still stays down. If not, well, Godspeed. All right, so we are all zeroed out. We're gonna put the top back on, and we're gonna hope for the best here. Rock is in there, 6S is in there. GPS, hopefully everything stays in one piece. Oh my God, it just took off so aggressively. That's just ridiculous. God, it almost feels like there's no limit to this throttle output. It's just crazy. All right, I'm down pretty far, about a quarter mile. All right, see the orange, here we come. Oh! I was not even full throttle. That was nowhere near full throttle. That is just insane, this poor little thing. Let's see what that was. Oh my goodness, 59 miles an hour. Oh my God. I literally just blipped the throttle. Oh my God. Tried to not get on it too hard when we were about to flip, but there we go. We broke over 60 miles an hour, and clearly this is really, really difficult, only because tires are ballooning. It's also a monster truck. Suspension is not set up to do speed runs. ESC is warm, but it's definitely not scorching hot. I could keep my hand on it, but still, even then, yeah, the motor's a bit warm, but we're just beating the tar out of it. Keep in mind, we're running twice the amount of voltage that they even say that I could do this with. So another disclaimer, do not run this motor on 6S, even 4S, it's a 3S motor. I'm surprised it's honestly lasting this whole time. All right, so here we go. Oh, all right, I'm keeping it at that. First time and last time. Oh my God. All right, this is addicting now. Little baby jump. That is just ridiculous. That is too overpowered. All right, I'm gonna bring her back now. That's just insane. And magically, everything is all clean again. Well, that's because this portion of this video is actually 3 weeks after about 12 seconds ago. Also, really why I'm doing this is because there's a brand new firmware update, and this is now the firmware update that's going to be released to the public. So we're gonna see the true power out of this little Cobra 10, and we are still running our massive 6S, as you guys can see. So let's see what difference this new firmware is gonna make. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Instant throttle. Oh my God. There we go. Much more instantaneous torque. And also, guys, we're only running this thing at 75% throttle or power out on the remote on 6S. Still going. Oh my God, it's just instantaneous. It really is. Wow. That is a big difference. Instant power out. Look at that. Just instant power out now. Bam, bam, bam. Just wants to pop wheelies all day long. Wow. Yeah, this ESC is the real deal, guys. I'm pretty happy that it's given me that amount of power output at that footprint. Like, really, it's like nothing. It's less than, it's about a third of the size of my hand, which is pretty good, about half the size of the X8S. And yeah, very, very, very hardy ESC, very efficient ESC as well. I'm pretty surprised it didn't get as hot. Mwah! I just love this thing. All the power in the world in the palm of my hands. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. All right, so as always, guys, make sure you stay safe and have a good one.